Hi guys, I'm at Chumbak today, so I am gonna take you inside and let's see what all the cute little stuff they have got in Chumbak. And see, do you see that Sara Ali Khan's photo, because she is the brand ambassador of Chumbak. So let's see if I can find something cute. Of course they have got cute stuff, so I need to see that what I am gonna buy. So these are the cute cushions that they have got. Oh my god, look at the lovely colors. Wow. And at the display in front they've got, wow, like this cushion I've like seen it many times. Many of the bloggers, they have this cushion, this pillow. God, the prints and all, so beautiful. Oh god, this one I saw on, I think on Myntra. I saw Myntra or Amazon, I don't know, I don't remember, but I saw this one. I had added that one in my cart, and yeah, it's really cute with this pom-pom. So cute. Do you see the pillow on the top? Wow. Wow, see the stuff, the print is like amazing. It's just so cute and I just love them. Oh, this cute box. Wow, they're actually metal ones. Lovely. Oh, they see that. Oh god, I mean, they have got most of the metal ones and the wooden ones. I didn't find ceramic stuff here. I think they have most of, you see the top shelf, it's all metal, and then this one is metal. If you're wondering where I am now, I am at Whitefield Forum Value Mall. You have a Chumbak store here in Forum Value Mall. So any one of you who's close by can pop in and shop for this lovely stuff. Wow, it's so cute. I think it's ceramic. No. Again, it's not. I don't know what it is. Wow, just love it. When I was shopping for Chumbak stuff on Amazon, I didn't find many, but when you visit, you should definitely visit the Chumbak store if you want to buy, if you are looking for more options from Chumbak. I mean, again, that planter, that was in my cart. Wow, and it was out of stock when I was shopping on Amazon. Love it, just love it. Look at this basket, so colorful.
Mama, look at that boat.
Yeah. Oh, this key holder is so pretty, so pretty. These prints, I'm totally in love with this prints. I think that's a common print that I've seen. It's like, if you're talking about Chumbak, I think that is the print you will commonly see on most of the decors. You see the Sara Ali Khan, like everywhere, Sara. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a planter and you can just hang it in your living room or maybe in your balcony if you're planning some bohemian decor then you can definitely go for this one. You know, the dream catchers are made up of these thread. I don't know what, macrame.
Macrame.
And oh, savage tutu, and the scarf, the stole, and they have got a mobile covers as well with their print. So if you are someone who's the fan of Chumbak prints, then you can have this mobile covers with their prints and the bags. You see, these are the laptop bags, and for ladies, okay. Oh, they've got perfumes as well. Oh my god, I didn't know that they have the smooth straw perfumes. And these cute little boxes. You know, if you, instead of placing the normal boxes, the normal, you know, the vessels that we have for storing all masalas and all, if we'll have this cute stuff in our kitchen, even the kitchen would look cute. Little boxes. Actually, I have ordered, you know, one. I think next week it's gonna get delivered. So I had ordered one box. Yeah, exactly like this. Yeah, I was just looking for it, and yeah, this is the one I ordered. And you know, I'm just really excited to have it. I am planning to, you know, store my jewelries and all, because my jewelries are always lying in the cupboard, and most of my jewelries I've lost, and you know, some of them they broke because the way I, you know, organize them is so messy. So that's the reason why, you know, I ordered this one. And this is so, the print and everything is so cute, so I wanted to have something like this. And this suitcase pattern, it's just amazing. Actually, I was looking for something like this, but then I thought, you know, this would be better. And if you want in different designs and little bit bigger shapes, they have got these. And yeah, that is true. Everything is going to be awesome when you buy things from Chumbak. Lovely. I just love their prints. Love their prints. See the prints. Oh my god. And earrings, if you guys are planning to buy earrings, and they have got some designs. Yeah, I think, you know, something like this you would want to wear, right? And watches. You know, I wasn't aware that Chumbak is all about, you know, I just thought it's only about the decor, but they have got watches, perfumes, and earrings, which I wasn't aware of. And even footwears they have got. Oh, lovely. See this mojari? Lovely. And they have this Chumbak label on it. Just loving. Small clutch bags. And the prints again. Lovely. See the counter. So cute. I've got another color in this planter if you're looking for orange one. I showed you yellow one, and then this cups. So cute, this one. Oh, again a photo. Look at this, so amazing. This set is just amazing. The holder is so gorgeous. Oh god, totally in love with it. Totally in love with it. Love it.